Look around. Automation isn't some distant thing happening out there. It's right here, right now, ripping apart the old rules you thought you knew, challenging every job, every role you once counted on. You feel it, don't you? That gnawing frustration watching machines take over tasks you mastered, the dread not knowing where you'll fit in tomorrow's world. Maybe you're angry. How can algorithms and robots just replace human effort, human craft? How can your skill, your sweat, vanish overnight? You're not imagining it. The system is shifting under your feet faster than you can adapt. And yet, the world tells you, be calm, this is progress. Progress for who? For the giants building those machines? But what about the millions left scrambling, trading stability for chaos? That pain you feel now isn't weakness. It's a sign, an urgent alarm that you cannot ignore. But here's the brutal truth. Waiting for someone else to save the jobs or to legislate some magical protection is a dead end. That old safety net is torn, unsalvageable. The illusion of security is just that, an illusion. If you keep hoping to resist automation with the same old tools, complaining, protesting, freezing, it will swallow your chance whole. The future belongs only to those who stop begging the world to slow down and instead lean into it harder, faster, smarter. This is a fight for your future, your purpose, your freedom. Listen carefully, because this isn't about luck or playing defense. It's about seizing a power unique to you, the power of strategic globalization and self-mastery. First, stop seeing automation as your enemy. It's a tool, a relentless, tireless, smart tool that can either destroy or empower you. Your job is to forge the right link between your unique human creativity and that tool's strength. No more generic upskilling. Don't waste time chasing every fad or jumping on every buzzword. Zero in on what no machine can touch. Complex problem solving, emotional intelligence, foresight, and building networks beyond borders. This means building your alliances not around nationality or background, but around shared visions, complementary skills, and fierce trust. You are not alone, even if it feels like it. The rare few are out there, ready to build the future if you find them and join forces. Here's your direct order. Dismantle the limits you've accepted. Strip away the reliance on outdated hierarchies or local markets. Become a founder, an innovator, a creator of new value, one that automation amplifies, not replaces. Stop thinking of yourself as a victim of machines. Become their pilot. Master the languages of global trade, digital connectivity, and decentralized networks. This is not about conquering the world, it's about transcending it. Making borders irrelevant by finding niches where your combined skills and automation create new jobs, new industries, new demand nobody else sees. But mastery alone won't save you. Your mindset must explode the old stories, no more jobs as cages. The future isn't a place where jobs grow or shrink. It's a space where opportunities multiply only for those ready to build new realities. You must become fiercely individual, yet radically connected. This is the paradox. You rise by lifting others in an autonomous, non-hierarchical web. Carve out your place, not because of where you were born or who you know, but because you deliver relentless value, and you partner with those who do too. Together, you will create ecosystems where automation multiplies opportunity instead of stealing it. Want a concrete step that turns this from talk to action? Hunt down those global networks beyond your industry or geography. Join or create think tanks, innovation labs, cross-border coalitions where you exchange ideas, capital, and support fiercely and fluidly. These aren't casual connections. They are your lifeline. Keep sharpening your abilities in areas machines can't encode. Creativity, negotiation, empathy, vision, and combine them with relentless learning in automation tools, AI, and data analytics. If you don't do this now, someone else will, and you'll be left behind in a silo of obsolescence. Demand of yourself to become the gatekeeper, not the outsider, of the automated age. You must lead while others panic, innovate while others cling. Think beyond jobs. Design ecosystems where human and machine talents amplify each other, multiply impact, and create value previously unimaginable. This is the edge. To use automation not as a threat, but as the launchpad for the global, boundaryless economy you control. The people who endure will not be those who try to hold on to the past, but those who consciously build the future, brick by brick, network by network, idea by idea. This perspective will shake the foundations you rely on. Yes, it demands brutal honesty with yourself, the humility to relearn, and the courage to leap into the unknown. But make no mistake, the alternative is stagnation, marginalization, loss. The future isn't some far-off place. It's already here, forged by those who refused to be passive, who took their destiny into their own hands and connected fiercely with the global currents of change. You are in the arena. The system won't pause. You won't find a blueprint handed to you because none exists. Create your own. Become the pilot of your tools. Find your tribe across seas and industries. Build the future with automation as your co-creator, not your competitor. Demand from yourself a level of strategic action so fierce no machine can catch up. This mindset, this network, this ongoing transformation is your only salvation and your greatest opportunity. Now rise and don't stop until the world isn't just adapting to automation. It's thriving because you mastered it, connected beyond borders, and created what was impossible before. This is the call, not for comfort, not for the complacent, but for the fierce few ready to own their freedom and create the future humanity deserves.